Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Playing Twisted with my boy Matthew. We're gonna have some fun, hopefully intercept an EF5 in the tip 2. So let's have fun and get to it. Alright Matthew, where'd you spawn at?
My bro, I live right now, bro. Tivs lined up like crazy right now.
Alright, A12 gas station.
Yep.
Oh my.
We got a Dom and a Dom 2.
This is crazy.
We got Tiv 1 over on the other side behind you.
Hmm?
Yeah, we got a lot.
Gosh. This is
Yes,
insane.
Owl Timmy keeps trying to get in.
I'm about to get 60. I'm about to almost be able to get the upgraded TIV.
Yeah, there's 2 Tiv 1. There's even that Ford.
It kind of looks like there's a windbreaker here. I guess I'm gonna have to park all the way. Well, do I have to park all the way at the end? Well, I'll just park by this TIV too. I might get some gas too. How much cape is there in this server?
There's like 6,000.
Dang. I'm putting some gas in my TIV. I mean it's diesel, but you know what I mean.
Yeah. We got 10, we got 9 Tivs, 2 Tiv 1s, got a Rax roll, 1 Dom 1, and then 1 Dom 2.
Bro, this server's stacked.
Yeah, we got a lot of rich players. We got some raiders.
Yeah.
I think there's 10 Tivs.
Dang.
10 Tiv 2s.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
We got a lot of good people in the server. And I finally figured out how to use the IMAX camera.
Yeah, did you? It's like
Yeah.
in the back, right?
You sit in the turret seat and then you like push the button you use to like, not the circle button, but the other button to like,
I know stuff.
yeah. And then you hit the IMAX camera. So to use the IMAX, you sit back here, maybe? No, it's not that. It's right here. Then IMAX. Nice. So nice.
Oh shoot, I'm not muted.
What's the radar? Oh. What's the radar looking like?
Radar? People.
Not a lot. We have some people going up to Hazleton.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Yeah, a bunch of weirdos.
One's gonna bring the storm.
Probably noobs. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, bro, I'm back. I'm looking at base velocity, and not much going on. I mean, it does have a lot of cape, but other than that, it's pretty bad server. I need to get my car repaired. Where do you get your car repaired? Or your TIV?
Okay, there's like TIV, I mean, Tomcat.
Tomcat where?
There's a Hibbing, Mishpa.
Oh, we have a storm forming at Hibbity.
Alright, yeah, I can see it.
So where do you get your car repaired at Hibbity?
No, not Hibbing. Hazelton.
Alright.
Pinstrike, which is next to it.
Alright.
We got Mishpa, which is bottom left, and then Verqua. That's as many as I've seen so far. Realized.
Yeah, I see it. I might wait for the storm to develop and go repair my car, because it keeps turning off. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah. Your engine is
Cooked.
cooked.
Dude,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to spend my savings. I got 61,000 in the account right now. Might be cooked.
I got 49. I have like not big grinding at all. Like I don't really got a need to grind. Look at the Dove 6, but
Mhm.
I don't really need it. It'll just take me a while to get it.
I'm going up to Verkoya. Who needs a ramp? It's probably why my car's so beat up.
Oh, we got 2 storms.
2? We got 2?
The bottom one Hibbing, the garden floor, just a wee bit.
Mhm.
You can see it on radar.
Okay,
6,000 Cape Max, my first time, 6,000.
I think we had 6,000 yesterday.
Yeah, 6,000 yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's I think that's when we got that black pixel.
Oh, that thing was douche.
Oh yeah, well it was good. We just never got to intercept it.
Yeah. Alright, the Hulk is like.
Wait, was that Verkoya? Yeah, and you take that exit.
We're gonna get some strong and kind of violent tornadoes.
Strong NATOs?
Yeah, we're gonna get some pretty long.
I didn't say long, I said strong.
Yeah, also get some violent and long tornadoes. We should.
Nice.
I'm hitting right now. I think it's probably gonna hit Fire Lake. I don't know why I took the hole.
Well, no, at least it gives me a head start. Because I'm all the way over here in Verkoya.
Or better to go to Hazelton for your conference, but it's
Nah.
closer, but it's like a little. I usually go to Hazelton.
I think Verkoya is a little closer. Because I'm like already in Verkoya.
It's hit a strike. That's where you're like preparing the. It's like a bigger warehouse. It's not really a town. It like.
Oh, we got some TIVs coming. We have some TIVs on the way. TIV 2s.
Yeah. You need to. No, don't go to hit. I think go between like Fire Lake and Starbucks or maybe to where in the tornado. Get it, it's strong. That's the fun one. Like developed, and that's where they're going.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Hold turn around. Garage failed to open. Let's back up. Hold turn around. Wait, why is the garage failing to open? Do I need to back up even more? Okay. You're pointless.
So, bro, if you can't like go inside the shop, on the back right, there's like a place where you can get your car fixed if your car's too tall. That's what I do with my Braxwell.
It's probably too tall.
It's so I get stopped. A tornado. Well, I don't know about a tornado, but we got dust. Cloud that hasn't got picked up yet. I can see a fairy dust from here though. So. Yeah, make it a little further. Wait, hold on. Never mind, I'll almost do like right.
See, this is what I'm talking about. My car dies for some reason. It's gotta be an engine problem.
That happened with my car, and I went to Tomcat to fix it, and it worked.
Well, I mean, let's hope this works. Maintenance. Ooh, it's pretty good. $3,000 to fix the engine.
That's not much.
That's pretty good.
Well, that's kind of, I don't think that much. I upgraded them when it says 30, and like respawn it in.
Okay, maintenance. Let's do some wheels, cause.
What was my calculation? This tornado should go right in front of you. According to my calculation. I think. I hope. It might die.
Maintenance. It's probably boring watching me do this.
Without I get killed. It looks like a pretty thick tornado.
Do y'all have a tornado on the ground right now?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
It looks pretty good.
where is it?
It's pretty big. It's kind of. Look on the map.
Alright. I'm finally on my way to a tornado. Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
No black pixels, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's not bad.
Velocity. Oh, that's a pretty good size. Oh,
Yeah, it's a pretty good size. It's just not the best pixels.
Oh shit, that's headed for me. Oh, I gotta go get it.
Is it coming toward the interstate?
Well, it's not coming toward Pirate Lake exactly. It's let me get this.
Is it coming toward the interstate? Because I might be able to intercept it.
What else? That will be the 84 from where I am. A little far out.
84?
I'm in the 80s.
Dang.
I've got like 81 to 84 so far around that. I'm kind of hot.
If the tornado would load in, I just see the fairy dust right now.
Yeah, same. Be a lot closer now. Yeah, that's a good fun. That's a good fun. Good fun. I think it's really strong. I'm gonna do it again. Get more money that way. We're getting the 90s, the scan.
A 90 scan?
Around the 90s. 90s plus.
I think it might be coming towards me. I'm not sure. I'm on the interstate right now. I don't know how far away it is. I might want to move. Yeah, move up.
Kids right here.
Yo. Yeah, I got the fairy dust. The tornado isn't loading in though. Oh, it's right there. Okay. We need to go.
Alright,
Do not pull me in. I'm
110,
getting 90.
115.
Stay on the road, please. I need this.
Alright, I just got 115 with the scare.
115 with this. Are you in the TIV?
No, with the scare.
Okay.
In a Roxwell.
Of course you are. You grind on that thing. Oh my, lightning just struck right next to me. Holy moly. Holy shoot.
Oh, EF3 plus. When it's pink, that's just like an estimate. They don't know if it's like actually EF5. So it's EF3.
Oh, I guess we're about. Oh, I'm sliding. 145. Because I'm not fully deployed.
Okay, you're inside right now?
Yeah, I got 145. Because I slid. I would have been at 150, 160.
Oh, it's getting pretty strong.
Oh, dude, it's flipping me. It's taking me. 175, 175. Dude, I'm not fully deployed.
Yo. I'm gonna do a scan from here.
Oh, wow. Oh, my. I got 175. Oh, dude, I'm
170. I'm getting 170 on the scan right now. 173. Dang, bro.
I just wasn't deployed in time. Gosh, how am I'm getting 135 and I'm like 50 feet away. This is insane. I'm still getting 90.
Dang. I just got like 170.
I think it's time to undeploy. I think we're good
Is
now.
that you? In your probes here over there. That's you, bro.
Oh, yeah. Bro, it like
That's
slid me
fine,
away.
That's fine. We got stripped away.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's insane. Oh, we have a black pixel.
Oh, 190, bro. I'm getting 190 with the scan right now.
190? That's insane.
Yeah, I'm getting 190 with the scan. Dang,
Hold up,
bro.
I gotta go intercept this.
Yeah. Oh, 200. I got 201.
201? Oh my. That's
Yeah,
insane.
201.
If only I could see where I can only see the multivore. I can't see the actual tornado. I just see a bunch of vortexes and fairy dust. I'm not seeing the actual tornado. Dude, I'm like a mile away from it. Oh, it's right there. Never mind. I was wrong. Dude, just let me pass, man. I just need to pass. My plane's not getting sucked up, you know? That's why I'm passing you, to get in front of you.
This tornado used to be the size of its multi-vortex. Or one of its vortexes. Which is honestly crazy.
Dude, I'm getting 120. I can't even deploy. Which, of course, is the backwind, but still, this is insane. I just need 130.
It's like 100.
It's gonna slide me, Matthew. It's gonna kill me. It's gonna pick me up.
Dang.
Dude, I can't get past it. I'm serious. We're gonna have to take another way around. That's insane.
Crap. 140, and I'm like a mile off from that thing.
Yeah, I just got like 135. That was insane.
Crap, bro. 140
Come on.
again. Oh,
Okay, I got another way around.
Oh crap, deploy, freaking deploy. Hey, we chill. Fucking Dominator players in a TIV. Stupid.
Okay, I got a way around. As long as it doesn't just cut me off here. Which I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Because it's looking like it's like coming right over here by my road.
Yeah, I think I should just stick with the scanning.
Yeah, if I were you, I'd stay with the scanning.
In a second.
Come on, man. How much more interstate do we have? It's gonna absolutely kill Hazelton.
Yeah, Hazelton's.
Hazelton's cooked. Dude, I'm literally racing this tornado.
I was going to eat.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, please. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers so I can stream to y'all. So please and thank you.
Oh shoot, I'm not going to.
Is that you? Right there? I was passing you. I don't think it was.
Wait, what?
Where'd it go?
Oh, I got like down a dryer.
Oh, I see it. That's insane. I'm in the path. How am I getting 60?
That thing's cooked, bro. You're probably done for, bro.
If I can dang deploy.
100%, bro. I withstand 160 in the TIV one before.
You mean 160 or 260? Come on, deploy. Hurry up and deploy. We don't have that much time. Go, deploy.
I saw like 261 in the...
No! I'm getting picked up. No. Okay, I think I'm good. 190. 200, 223, 230, 230. Oh, that's insane. You see the...
What did you do?
Dude, I got flipped up and then it anchored, then deployed back down.
Yeah, that happened before. I'm getting kind of close. And debris in the way. Oh, ramp.
This is an insane tornado. If I can get there in time and deploy, this is insane.
R.I.P. Hazelton, bro.
Bro, Hazelton is cooked. I'm sorry, Hazelton, but you're just cooked.
Debris is everywhere now.
Oh my. Dude, I'm not even in the tornado. It's like right next to me, and I'm getting like 200.
Rotation.
Not 200, but 100.
I'm getting like
around
150. What the? Oh, come on, man. It was
This is insane. That's insane. This is an insane tornado.
By the end of this, my kid is probably cooked.
No, your TIV will survive. As long as you're deployed.
Well, oh my gosh, debris. I just been hit by debris. This red car behind me is a dealership and
I think it's going down. I think it's not at its max. I think it's going down.
I think it's just, it peaked at like 200.
Yeah, it peaked at 240. I got 240.
We got lifted.
Yeah, I got lifted and then it deployed me back down. I don't know how that works, but it just does. Because it's twisted. What'd you expect?
I won't have time to pull that down, but I can explore. Maybe not. Okay. I just got hit by a house. Hit by a freaking house.
So I wasn't deployed. I don't know if it hit a top. I don't know. I think it may have went above 200. Like way above 200. I'm literally racing it right now. If there's another, okay, there's another exit. I just don't, okay, yeah, we're gonna have to intercept it up here.
I just about got cooked.
Man, you always get cooked. You almost get about get
Just
cooked.
committed suicide.
Who'd you commit suicide on? Come
I
on.
slid in like 170. I'm like, oh, shit. And then I'm like, oh, hey. All right, the couch potatoes on the move.
What? You say the couch potato is on the move?
Yeah, I'm a couch potato, man.
Makes sense.
I identify as a couch potato. That's who I am.
Whatever. Actually. Right. Yep, we're about to deploy. Twin. Wait. What? Where's it going?
I'm squid one little.
Oh, don't pull me in. Oh my. Don't lift me up. This is a stupid idea. Okay, somehow I survived. I didn't have to deploy. My goodness, someone put the pros in a good spot.
Oh my
Someone's better
gosh,
catch
there is
that.
a new tornado. Why am I chasing this one? Frick you, tornado. I am out.
Wait, where is it? Where is
I'm
it?
gone. Give me this new
Oh
freaking
my.
tornado. What am I doing? Alright, let me see how many black pixels you got. Let me, if you could check that.
It doesn't have any black pixels. I just checked. Unless it does now. It doesn't have a black pixel, but it's still a good tornado nonetheless. It's gonna take me a little while to get down there though.
Yeah, I'm in like Hazelton Lake right now.
Yeah,
I'm
same.
in Hazelton.
See if I can see where you are.
Alright, I gotta go slow on it. I just saw a power flash.
Same. Well, that was one EF5 I intercepted.
Yeah. I intercepted that EF5, but I got like 190, so technically EF4.
Yeah. But inside of it, I got like 140, 160 in between there. I mean, at one point, I did become undeployed. Well, not undeployed, but it lifted me up, so I don't know what the wind speed was there.
Unemployed?
Undeployed. My goodness, Hazelton got cooked.
Yeah, they got cooked on
Dude,
this side.
Towns got leveled. My goodness gracious.
Oh, how is, oh my gosh, bro. Oh wait, no.
Yeah, Hazelton just
I
got
saw the light bulbs
cooked.
up, I'm like, oh dang, how the light bulbs survive that? And I go farther down, I'm like, oh.
It didn't.
Money.
Oh, turn.
Oh.
I just crossed the interstate up there. I can see the fairy dust. What was the top scan you got?
202 or 201. Around there.
I think I intercepted it at its peak. I think.
What's your highest wind speed?
Highest wind speed? Well, I mean the tornado we just intercepted it was like 140 to 160. I think.
Dang, bro. My highest wind speed was 286.
286.
You know,
286? What?
Yeah, 286. I think I was inside a tornado, but then I am like, oh, I can be like the other tornado. Like when I first got my TIV, I'm like, ooh, I didn't have to upgrade one, so I put down, like, you know, all the normal. I'm down, and I got 261 in the default TIV. I'm like, oh my goodness. And then I think I still have that TIV. Went up to a different tornado. Into an airplane, bro. Almost got into an airplane crash, bro. Made on collision almost. Some debris. I got like 110 intercepts. 118.
Dude, for some reason my intercepts just keep lying to me. It says I have 12 intercepts and it's so lying.
they have like, if you're kind of real life, they don't get like tombstones to do for it, so they get like, they call. I was watching one video, the dogs and everything. They got really close to it, but they didn't like actually go in. They weren't deployed or anything. They're just following it, and they called that an intercept. So,
Bruh.
if that was real, I should have gotten hundreds of intercepts, trillions of intercepts, billions of intercepts.
There's no. I've been playing longer than you have. Do not have billions of intercepts.
Why did I go all the way to Wanda?
Are you still in the radar car or whatever it is called? Coming for you. Is that you driving into a field?
No.
Whoa! Someone just drove into a field. And this other kid's driving out of a field.
Yeah.
There's no chance on earth. This thing is what it is. Say what they say it is.
Ain't?
What? No. Yeah, we're gonna make the turn here. Up here somewhere. This kid up here in the starter truck, he probably thinks I'm following him. Which is kind of crazy because I'm not. Man, he just turned the same turn that I'm turning. I sound like a Dr. Seuss book. He just turned the same turn that I'm turning.
Yes, indeed. Very much I see.
Oh my goodness, I got struck by lightning. Well, that's not good.
Yes, you can see. I've been hit by lightning.
That's not good. Oh, dude, a bunch of Tivs just intercepted this tornado. I wonder what they got. Oh, it's all the upgraded Tivs. And a Dom 3. Oh, why is it crossing? What? Oh, I want to watch his Dominator 2. I want to watch his Dom 2. His placement is terrible. I'm just going to drive right into it and see what happens. It picked me up. What'd you think was gonna happen, stupid? No, don't take me! No, you cannot take me! I'm cooked. No, it's literally gonna run me over! No! Not again!
Alright, Pete.
No, okay, I hee-heed it.
My mom is here.
Your mom is here?
A nice mom.
Nosh. Oh, dude, that was insane. It picked me up. I don't think it's 200, though. It just kind of picked me up and tossed me around like a sack of potatoes. It didn't really do much.
I'm surprised it can even lift you up, man. Like, you were like 1,000 plus, you know?
I got 130 on the top.
130?
Yeah. And then it lifted me up, but I don't know what I got after that. Is there a turn up here?
Oh.
Oh, it's not. Oh, man. Okay, do not go where I'm going, because it's the wrong go.
Disclaimer. Do not do this in real life. This is for
entertainment
purposes only.
Entertainment purposes.
Yo,
who is this? I just pulled in front of you, Matthew.
Yo, problem. Who do you think I was? Man, I'm more invested.
Road rage.
What the heck?
Help is on the way. I feel like I'm getting chased by 2 Tivs, but I am a Tiv. What does the convoy even do in Twisted? I don't even think it serves a purpose.
It doesn't.
Then what's the point of having one? Just to be there?
Is that a little annoying?
Yes, people... Dude, I swear, if I'm in a noob server, the people just keep sending me convoy requests and whatever they're called. And it gets so annoying.
R.I.P. bro. Soldier codes. There's a road a little farther that is. I missed that route too.
No, dude. I need to go back. This is a good position. I would not have enough time to deploy at all. Go back. Go.
Yeah, I can see on radar.
Dude, I've been filming for 36 minutes. I'm probably gonna have to end the video at like 40 minutes.
Yeah, ain't nobody gonna watch 13 minutes of footage.
True. I mean, maybe they'll get to the first DF5 intercept. I hope. I always appreciate subscribers too, if you didn't know that. Because they help me get to the point where I can stream, you know? You know what I mean?
Alright, probes. Alright, and let's go. Tornado's approaching.
Bro, it's a Sidewinder.
Alright. Right flap, left flap. I didn't get the core, but I got 150.
Bruh,
I did hit the core.
did you even have to fully deploy?
No.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, I just went by so fast. I recorded 355 on that tornado.
Well, I think, man, 355?
What?
I think me and this tornado are about to intercept each other. Because I'm trying to get away from it, and it's chasing me. Dude, the tornado's chasing me. I swear.
Oof, that's gonna become hard. Yeah.
Bro, this is not no EF5. I don't even think there's
that's
a
just
point
an
in
estimate on TV.
chasing it.
That's just an estimate. Go. I can make it. I cannot make it. I cannot make it.
I can make it. I got this.
I thought that thing just evaporated, but my render distance just went down.
Oh.
It went up at like 500 miles per hour. Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're coming in hot, like a TIV-2. I ain't even going to deploy. I'm risking my life for science, you know? I'm risking my life for science today, guys. And just for the fun of it. Because it probably won't lift me because I'm in a TIV-2. Of course. No, go back. How does Dominator 2 get like perfect placing?
Alright, I missed my turns. Alright.
I just got 70 miles an hour. This is the worst tornado I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Alright, we're letting this tornado.
I'm gonna go back to fire.
Same.
Honestly, I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry, I can eat a
I
dog.
have like an eating disorder, bro. I will eat like 500 pounds of food and still be hungry.
Alright, bro, I think I'm gonna end the video because it's like 39 minutes long.
Alright, if you didn't like, and if you didn't subscribe now, or else I'll show up to your house and take your toes.
Disclaimer, that was not me, that was Matthew. Matthew, you're now exposed on the internet forever.
Why do you expose my government, bro? Oh, heck, no, my God.
The government already knows your name, Matthew.
Okay.
Alright, guys, now that we've exposed my friend's name on the internet, if you even made it that far, you can like and subscribe. You heard him. The consequences may be bad. Not if this come from him, not me. So, if you didn't like and subscribe, I mean, it would be helpful if you did. So, see you next time, I guess.